What's up, you guys? It's your girl Kay, and you're watching K Minute TV, and I'm back with another video. Now, I'm sorry for no intro. I'm sorry if there's nothing at the end like there usually is in my videos. I've taken a step back from YouTube, and at this point, I'm just kind of trying to jump back into it a little bit. But we're gonna start off with talking about Asian Doll, Kayla B, and Kima. Now, let me give you guys a backstory because these women, and I'm not gonna say all of them, but Kayla will not seem to let her brother rest in peace. It just seems that she wants to stir up drama every time that she gets, and over the times that she has tried to start the drama, Asian has been ignoring her. So recently on Twitter earlier today, Kayla decides to go on Twitter for some reason, going off about Asian once again. Even though this woman never responds to her, she decides to go on a rant on Twitter about her, I guess, instigating stuff between her and Kima, making up lies about her, etc, etc, etc. Now, in my opinion, I just don't understand why Kayla keeps trying to go back and forth with Asian when Asian ignores her every single time. It's never really been a time that she's literally just addressed her. But we're gonna get into the tweets, and it starts out by saying that Kayla said, "Wow, you B words are really cap on this internet stuff. Ain't no Queen Vaughn because Vaughn was single and Bees was getting down," basically. She also said Bees live a whole effing lie and messy AF, hiding their hand. She also said my brother moved because he ain't trust girls. Bees was never making it to the new house. She also proceeds to say, "Call me messy, I don't care. A B word using my brother's name for her own good. It's not 100,000%. Y'all don't know the real." She said she called me a snake for not telling my brother when he was messing with other females, but I didn't tell on you in Miami when you was kissing and spending the night with other dudes. This whole time this B been spreading rumors and lies about me, telling his folks all these lies. Wow. This is when Vaughn had just got locked up and they was together. Nobody was single. Y'all can't lie for nobody. She says, "I'm tired of this HOE line. Just tell everything if he told you. F it, evil twin." Basically trying to antagonize her because you know that she calls herself Queen Vaughn and there's King Vaughn. But if you look closely at the girl whose tweet she retweeted, this was also a girl that was messing with Vaughn as well that Kayla knew about. Kayla knows about all the females that Vaughn messes with, and it seems like ever since her and Asia haven't been cool, she decides to click up with every single one of them that messed around with Vaughn behind Asia's back. She also proceeds to say, "Stop trying to make it seem like you can have a baby by him. He made you get an abortion every time. HOE was lying. Stay lying to look good." Now, I'm going to call her cap, but I'm going to come back to that in a minute. Then here comes Kima out of nowhere saying, "Bees be quick to pop stuff at me," but when I don't know what she was trying to say, but whatever. She also said, "I'm blue. This B word told Missy to watch her back from me because I'm a backdoor her. I've never been no snake. I'll never snake Missy," so on and so forth. She also proceeds to say that her and Missy are good. It's just effed up that a person tried to separate us. If y'all so good, then why did you have to go to social media about it? But she says the fans don't know nothing. Basically, Asian's been instigating everything from the beginning, blah, blah, blah. And Asian is sitting around being unbothered, minding her business as she's been doing. But somehow she still seems to get put in this drama. Now, like I said, I was going to go back to that whole abortion statement that Kayla B made, which is very much false. Because if you really paid attention to Vaughn and Asian back then, when they were going through their little situation regarding the baby, he was hyping her up about being pregnant, trying to drop little hints on live, and she would tell him to stop. So Kayla B needs to go sit down with just trying to be hurtful. It just seems like Kayla B is very miserable. She doesn't have anything to do, and every time she gets bored, she decides to sit around and talk about Asian and just bring her up and say a whole bunch of mean things. And for me, like, when it comes to Kima in this situation, girl, like, everybody on the internet is literally saying how Kayla B told Kima about, I guess, how her mom should die or something like that, or basically something along those lines, disrespectful towards her mother and disrespecting her child. Now you're on the bandwagon, you know, co-signing everything that's going on between Kayla B and Asian, excuse me. if it's gonna be beef between these two females, let it be that. But it just seems like, in a sense, Kima's being a bandwagon. Kima really doesn't defend herself, and from the video that's going around once again of Kayla B basically sucker punching Kima. If I was Kima, I would sit out for this one, because at the end of the day, you ain't finna see me be cool with no female that sucker punched me in front of everybody in the club and it's on video. But that's just my opinion. With Asia, I really commended her for not really saying anything these past few times that Kayla B has been trying to antagonize her. But at this time, girl, it's time for you to say something to her. It's time for you to just shut her down, because once you don't entertain somebody for a long time, they feel like they can keep picking with you. And believe it or not, what Kayla B is doing to Asia is bullying. And everybody's so gung-ho for people not to bully each other, but it's cool to see the drama. I just don't understand. I thought that Kima and Asia were cool, but I guess not. That's cool. But for Asia, I just think Asia really needs to take a step back and just be happy that she's not in the situation that Kima is in. I mean, Kima is just a baby mama. At the end of the day, that's what it was. She might have had a relationship with King Von back then, but by the time he passed away, it was not that. She's just a baby mama. A lot of the females that King Von has gotten pregnant are just baby mamas. The new baby mama that's coming out is just a baby mama. At the end of the day, people try so hard to discredit Asia's relationship with Von, but if you really look at it, you can really tell that he really loved and cared about that girl. And it just seems to get under everybody's skin that he actually cared about her. Despite what they went through, or despite cheating on both ends, at the end of the day, you could tell that they both really cared about each other. And it just seems to irk them so much that they have to pick at this girl every chance that they get. But neither here nor there, Asia should just be happy that she didn't have a baby by King Von, because imagine how much worse your situation would be right now. That's all I really have to say on the situation. I really wish Kayla B would find something else to do, because clearly Asian is not giving her no attention. Asian is flourishing, moving forward with her life, and it just seems like these females are stuck in the past. Regardless if she did say something to someone, like Kima said, she's cool with Niecy, so it don't even matter. And at the end of the day, she wants to get cool back with somebody that sucker punched her in her face. That's cool, but leave the girl out of it. I mean, this drama is old, it's tired, and y'all just will not let this man rest in peace. I feel so bad for King Von, and I know, you know, wherever he's at in life right now, he is looking down at his family, very upset, very disappointed. I would be embarrassed to call these people my family, because even after I had passed on, you guys are still keeping up drama, still keeping the beef going when there really doesn't even need to be any. This man is gone. He can't defend himself. He can't tell his side. But it seems like everybody always want to, well, not everybody, Kayla B wants to tell her side of what she thinks she knows and what she saw. At the end of the day, you only saw so much. You only know so much. You were not Von. You were not texting any of these females that he has been dealing with. So just get over it. Stop talking about it. At least you finally admitted that you are mad, and you know you're an instigator. This drama has gone on for too long, and it just seems like Kayla B doesn't want to stop until, I don't know. I don't really know what she thinks she's going to gain from this, but she looks really sad. She looks very miserable, and she needs to find something else to do. That's all I really have to say on the situation. Like I said, I don't really do YouTube anymore, but sometimes these things just be bothering me, and I feel compelled to say something, because drama like this is just unnecessary. At the end of the day, this man is dead. He's gone. Let him pass on. Let him rest in peace. He can't even rest in peace because of stuff like this. But that's all I have to say on this topic. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure that you comment, like, subscribe, share this video. Tell a friend about mom. Make sure that you follow me on my social medias, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.